Okay.
Right now, day 6. Now, day 6, no, here, not just a new Mercoso Kama. Now, here, day 6 graphic, and Nipa no demo. Number 1 graphic, na one in the Nutimu SOMPA. And now, what latest championship, no Budapest, no, na Neoma Air Coso, a FMK ball. No one, I'm didn't be real submission here and quickly. Now, every highlights, no, cry and rano. Amount for JJ Neomano, one be near amount for JJ Neoman ran say, now home cow, sending ran some for a bomb home modern pap. I'm saying 400, I can't take a crap.
In Budapest, the Jamaican's coming, he's closing. What a performance! I've just got a feeling Williams has done it, and she has. That is incredible. Tentoglu completes his collection of global titles. This was her night to shine. It's all gold in Hungary for Femke Bol.
That's the pin. Tenra ne dem say Budapest on na nya asem keto akra na ni je ho na enra ya na je for asem bi o kan say wiase no o hwe wo ho no abo bra. So Spain for no omo 4 medals. Gold medals. For nana de adede na sie
ana nyina ye monitor de ekoso extraordinary assembly no
ye dan one pay
de ekoso you know nti egusu ye de update ni ba concerning Luis Rubiales
ketkreku nu ane
on say anu fie bi ye
ketkreku nu oh Spain is on form nyamotrema me ba sisi a ketkreku is on form Espanya ketkreku double with them tuma watermale ozum na me ba Spain our 4 gold medals Alvaro Martin and Maria Perez Omienu na medals double world champions
omo race no walk race no
Maria Perez ni 2 gold medals for Spain omo 200 meters omo 200 meters beji gold medals for race walk omo jomo ko omo yomo djuma omo 4 gold medals Ethiopia omo long distance for omo how many medals Jamaica 2 gold medals oye omo jomo de awie o hwe ho no abobra enu ade bi sie ye bibire man ko mbeka say mono no makam ho. And we had an accident by the athletes, no air call for 200 meters semi-final.
Yeah.
Now our accident now SOMPA now go boom tam. What the oh my patch really easy. And so also be free out of form. A boom no. Obi out of form. So when yeah. What in the back out of form. Now you free her. You and sir glass na wa de no boy.
Okay.
E bi ko share James Hudson, Jamaican sprinter nani. Inti no catch Ugando and a tin chen and no alas. So no catch on Sadin, a wura many ase. Inti all 2 American nyina no na ni prunsu.
Okay.
Inti after race no okoya press conference. Onu James Hudson kroya so onya picture na hu say ogina wa catch am say na nani no e prunsu. Enu nti na went me into ni mikanye say na accident no nya effect. Ye na hospital be okay. Enu nti na ho a enye 8 athletes and 2 final of 200 meters and 9
yeah
the neighbor be shame because it wasn't through his fault.
Okay.
Until they see now to the championship races and 100 meters hurdles final. Danielle Williams 2015 you call China on their winning. Danielle Williams she was the champion in 2015 8 years down the line Enra Asaba you call race no be here Kenny Harrison Toby Amusan and Jennifer Camacho Queen. Now start here na Camacho Queen and the Divine Charlton from Bahamas. And no Mulidi Amusan Akeche. A Kerry Nugent from Jamaica was making ground, but he learned one honor. Honor Daniel Williams if we am or Beji race need from them.
Now after time you know I name me fair. No
good. I heard confirmation from the time because a photo finish. 12.43 Daniel Williams air champion. And yeah, no kona to Jamaica and Ra. What athletics championship here? First time I go in 1983. Now Brett Cameron or Jamaican legend.
Okay.
On the first person now winning 400 meters finals. Oh, what athletics championship? If you are Jamaican, you beam. Enra. So many years down the line, 40 years down the line, Jamaica have 400 meters. Now Antonio Watson, 2017, no a world under 18 champion, youth champion.
Hey,
yeah, 2017. Oh, yeah, 21-year-old boy.
Because no option finishing no crana. As or the passion and the DB.
Baby Edwin. And over semi-final now. He had the best time. On it, Matthew Hudson Smith. But right in the last 50, the BCDNC, Kirani James or Norwood or Hudson Smith Namu, but look at him with Vanike Kakechi. And for the first time since 1983, Jamaica Air 400.
Now Hudson Smith for all European record, I was semi-final. Now Visan Kahano.
Nana, a Jumani in a Merano Swan owing. My name is Chairman Kramer, friend of Balateno. Unim yesterday, I find out and also 2 mega papa. So yeah, European record no final and how did you go there? If you see a body and Watson the Ebony young corner and
SOMPA
long jump
3.1.
And I'm saying Yama and Yamria in Jamaica a long jump no 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. McLeod, Wayne Pinnock, Tajay Guile. Come on, father no. Now last jump and Miltiadis Tentoglu, the Greek god. The last jump no silver. Last jump no the Jamaica for you.
By education way, because we saw in the first attempt, na qualified.
Yeah.
Second one, no jump.
Yeah.
Until Ebasa who to us and almost disqualified from
So we are 5 attempts.
3.1.
Now no jump no. Not just say when tia board no so. And I went tia man abroso.
Okay.
Until I understand the UFI. When tia man abroso.
Because in the first, Onyana Kama. Second, no. Third,
No pressure about us. And that last jump into the T boys new HA.
Needs a big one here if it's going to be another gold. Oh, that's big. And somehow, the man who always saved his best to last has done it again. Tentoglu completes his collection of global titles.
Mira, Enra say, oh, in the canoe. Osha hono abobra, Canada. Athletic Donovan Bailey ni ho. Andre de Grasse. Nka Canada omo de track nusu.
Okay.
Hammer throw. Oma control man mema nyina. Enra Cameron Rogers. Awini Emma hammer throw. Not least Ethan Catchback. Nso Jema mema no.
Ti man mema ni nyina.
Omo ko dede bebrebe ye be kan ni bia.
Omo nim sa ha ne ye ba.
Rogers a world champion. Wabegye ne de ko. Na ohwe dia omo ya nanka Jani Casanavoid from USA na any major threat. Wambowa. That's how it ends.
But that's about 2 minutes be mama.
Area we there. Chairman there they do better from sorry. 400 meters hurdles a man final.
SOMPA Sports.
Dalila Mohammed for the first time since 2013 went to final. Sydney McLaughlin Uniho Fem Cabo Neban. 18.
Cockrell on the outside. Shamir Little's trying to close, but ball is away and clear here. She fell on the first night, but like the great champion she is, she has risen to conquer all.
Mirai Asimbi.
SOMPA 3.1.
Mama and I picture now they 4x4 mixed relay baton about better form. Or that form say team. First night Fem Carbon that form. Well, lead the race now. I got 10 meters. That form say team. Now I also know say or top form nanka baton no turn anymore. Nanko beti ni afa e de akọ race no. Na so say me ma me na fie for kodi na chi na no ntino. Ne baton no top form no. Baton no contra finish line no. It did not finish. Now no o wie na e qualify as we race no. This is a face of despair. And on ajo what face a picture be ho. Mama your picture no. You could
SOMPA 3.1.
Quite offer Obama. She's striding into victory. See, athletics na my stories be you fall so many times. But look, rise up again. And she has risen. The first gold new.
Wow.
First gold.